We all need courageous, persistent brothers and sisters around us to keep us accountable, and we might hate them in the moment. We really might not appreciate what they have to say in the moment, but what they're doing is trying to keep you on the path of righteousness. They're trying to help you to develop spiritually, to guard your heart, to obey God, because only good fruit comes from obeying God. There's no downside. Pride will well up inside of us. Prepare for that. Be aware that that might happen when someone comes and corrects you or questions something that you're doing, and you will want to push away from them in the same way that we desire to push away from God because we've indulged in a temptation or a sin. But don't, because we need God and we need one another. Lean on those who love you and hear them out when they speak to you.